Okay, hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. I'm with my patient Miami. Now I know we probably had a Miami before, but this is a different Miami. Anyway, we were just talking. He said, hey, can you check something out for me? I've got a different kind of problem. And I said, sure, I'll check it out. And he doesn't want to have his picture in the videos of his face, and his identity is going to be protected, but he does think it'd be pretty cool for you guys to see this. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll take a look. Mr. Miami, this is your abdomen. I'm coming in right here. Now, how long have you had this?
A couple months.
Couple months. Does it itch?
A little bit.
Definitely not going to show your face, and if anything, if we accidentally did, I would blur that out for you, okay?
Okay.
So right there. And do you have any of this on the back?
No, not on my back.
Just right in here, okay? When did this first show up?
A couple months ago.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to tell you what, I know exactly what this is, and I'm going to give you the medicine for it, but I thought it'd be fun to let our viewers take a stab at this. I'm going to get a real close-up if I can. Give people a chance to really take a look at this. Okay. Hey, man, appreciate you letting us play along with you on this, and you'll be able to see it yourself. Just look for, we'll just put it under Miami Rash or something like that.
Sounds good.
All right.
Stay tuned for the MetaSeven. I took mine today. How about you?
Tell us about MetaSeven.
I like it a lot. I take it when I drive to work in the morning, and during work, I feel like I have more energy.
Yeah.
It works. I like it.
Good.
It's kind of like, you know how you kind of feel like a crash after like 10 o'clock in the morning?
Right.
Don't have that when I take it.